So the other day I'm looking online for gifts for my friends and I see these really cool pillows that are like that teddy design, but they're like printed. And I'm like, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. And next thing I know, I've got like 45 pillows in my cart and no money in my bank account. So I didn't end up buying them because they were, what? $60 for one pillow. I'm like, I could do that. So I go online and I'm trying to figure out how does a dumb white man make these really cool pillows. And the Google results come back and they're like, it's latch hook. Do latch hook. So I'm like, cool, got it. I'm crafty, I can do this. I look up YouTube videos. It's all 3-year-old girls who are like, latch hook is so easy. Anyone can do it. If you can't do latch hook, you're dumber than me, a 3-year-old. And I'm like, I'm older than 3. I know how to read. I'm gonna be able to do latch hook. Turns out I was wrong, which is never great. Not a great feeling. I spent 45 minutes watching those videos of actual 3-year-old girls making latch hook tapestries and just going like, and I spent 45 minutes and got one piece of yarn on. So I'm gonna give you everything you need, all the tips and tricks on how to pull off, you know, a real scam. Yeah, that's what we're doing here. We're scamming Urban Outfitters. So the first thing you're gonna need is one of these Wonder Art latch hook kits. Then you're gonna need one of these torture devices. This is called a latch hook. If you just, ooh, see there's the little latch doolipper. And lastly, you're gonna need some yarn. I got this Vanna's Choice brand from AC Moore. It was $1. So since I'm cheap and had to make my own kit, I don't have the yarn that's cut into perfect pre-made piece like this. So I had to fully cut each one. And so what I was doing was I was like measuring, cutting, measuring, cutting, insanity. Full-blown crazy person. Then, pro tip, I just wrapped it around my hand a bunch of times. Right? And then with my scissors, still on my hand, which is very safe, I just cut, and there. Now I've got like 40 of these. Oh my god, so easy. Okay, so it's been a little bit, and I've been working, and I finished the pupil. 3D, 3D. It's the back, you can see it a little bit better that way. I did like the vertical and the horizontal. I don't know if I was supposed to do that. My 3-year-old friend did not help me out on that one. But I did it, and I think it makes it more plush. No idea. I'm gonna keep working. I'll check back in a little bit, show you my progress, but I'm very excited. I think this is gonna be bitchin'. Hey everyone, welcome to day 2 of my latch hook nightmare. Yesterday I spent probably 3 hours honing my craft. I don't know. This is what I have so far. I have like most of the iris done. So I'm probably gonna just zone out for a little bit and just try to get as much of it as I can do today done. I don't know how long this project is gonna be. This seems like a week-long event. Yeah, let's get back to hooking. Not latching. Let's get back to latching. Little update, I did all of the iris, all this blue bit. So, yeah, I'm gonna start doing the white of the eye, and then I gotta do all these outlines, so, yeah.
Hey, baby. What's happening? Hey, baby.
after about a week of working on this, here's the finished product. Ooh, I'm so happy. It looks so good. I put this piece of like fleece on the back of it, and then I just stuffed it with a regular pillow. But yeah, I love how this looks.